Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm gonna guide you through how to change your profile picture in CapCut. To change your profile picture in CapCut, first of all, open up the CapCut application on your device and make sure to log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the Me button at the bottom right hand corner from the home screen. Inside the Me menu, tap on View Profile. Now, click on the Edit Profile option on the next page. You will then come across this page where you can see the Change Photo button. Simply tap on that. Now this will take you to your camera roll from where you can select a profile picture. Select a different profile picture you'd like to change to and adjust the profile picture how you'd want it to appear on your profile, and finally tap on Confirm at the bottom right. After waiting for a couple of seconds, you will then be able to upload or change a new profile picture in CapCut. Your CapCut profile picture has been successfully updated, and that's it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more CapCut tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.